Ever tried throwing a birthday party where even the grown-ups don't want to leave? If your little one is bananas for Minions, this video is going to be your secret weapon. We're diving into creative, budget-friendly, and totally despicable Minion party decoration ideas. From DIY hacks to ready-to-buy gems, you'll find everything to make your party a smash hit. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete game plan to wow your guests, Minion style. So grab your goggles, get your yellow and blue on, and let's get into party mode. Minions don't just make noise, they make memories, and you're about to host the best one yet. What are some must-have Minion birthday decorations? Start with a giant Minion balloon arch as your party entrance. It's eye-catching and Insta-worthy. Add Minion cutouts around the room and yellow and blue streamers to tie the theme together. Don't forget Minion-themed plates, cups, and a banner that says Bello Birthday. For the table centerpiece, go for small Minion plushies or themed party hats in a vase. These small touches create a huge impact and transform any space into Minion headquarters. And trust me, kids notice everything, especially when it's yellow and squeaky. How can I make a DIY Minion backdrop? All you need is a yellow plastic table cover, blue paper for the overalls, and black for the goggles. Cut and paste it all onto a large foam board or even tape it to a wall. Instant photo booth magic. Use silver paper plates for the goggle lenses and draw eyes with markers for that Minion stare. Your kid will remember this for years. Liking these ideas so far? Smash that like button. It tells me to keep these party ideas coming. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a fun-filled party plan. What's a fun way to decorate the cake table? Layer the table with Minion-themed tablecloth and decorate it with yellow candy jars and cupcakes. Use bananas, yes, real ones, to add a cheeky Minion vibe, maybe even draw faces on them. Frame a sign that says, "This party just got a little more bananas." Scatter confetti or paper googly eyes across the table for playful effects. Your dessert table will be the star of the show, after the birthday kit, of course. How can I involve the kids in decorating? Set up a mini Decorate Your Minion mask station using paper masks, stickers, and crayons. Let them personalize their own Minion while waiting for cake or games. You can also prep a balloon painting area with yellow balloons and Sharpies to draw minion faces. It's fun, creative, and doubles as entertainment and decoration. If this is getting your creative gears turning, drop a comment below. What's one idea you're definitely using? And hey, if you're new here, subscribe now and let's plan amazing parties together. Where can I get budget minion decorations? Check your local dollar store online store for yellow and blue basics like plates, cups, and streamers. And don't overlook Pinterest for free templates. Print, cut, and you're good to go. Budget doesn't mean boring. It's all about smart shopping and a little creativity. Remember, even DIY pieces can look like high-end party magic. What are some easy centerpiece ideas? Use glass jars filled with yellow candy or Minion-themed gumballs. Top them with a few cutout eyes or tiny Minion figurines. You can even use stacked tin cans painted yellow and blue for a fun display. Add glow sticks inside to make them light up at night. If you're crafty, paper lanterns decorated as minions make awesome centerpieces. Simple, colorful, and totally on the bling. Loving the DIY vibe? Save this video to your party planning playlist so you can come back when it's go time. Like this video if you're loving the sparkle, and drop a comment with your How do I decorate the party entrance? Greet guests with a Welcome to Minion Mayhem banner at the door. Add yellow and blue balloons for that bold, fun vibe. Lay down paper Minion footprints leading to the main area. A cardboard cutout of a Minion makes for an epic photo spot. It's the perfect way to kick off the party with excitement. Any tips for Minion lighting and ambiance? Use yellow fairy lights or blue LEDs to match the Minion mood. Hang paper lanterns with Minion faces for a playful glow. Add a Minion soundtrack in the background for extra charm. Glow sticks double as party favors and fun lighting. Lighting sets the vibe. Keep it bright, fun, and full of joy. If this sparked an idea, save this video for later and don't forget to subscribe. So there you have it, everything you need to throw a Minion birthday party that's totally despicable in the best way. From DIY backdrops to creative centerpieces and glowing lights, you're now ready to wow. Remember, it's not about spending a fortune, it's about making magic with what you've got. The little touches, the fun stations, the silly faces, they all add up to something unforgettable. And hey, you're not just throwing a party, you're making memories. If this helped you out, I'd love to hear in the comments which idea you're going to use. And if you've got a Minion fan at home, just know, you've got this. Party Boss. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. Your support means the world. Comment below your favorite Minion moment or any party hacks you've used. Need more help? Check out the description for my full printable checklist of decorations. Want more videos like this? Ring that bell so you never miss a party tip again. And if you throw a party using these ideas, please tag me on socials. I want to see it. Now go plan that party, make it magical. And remember, bananas are optional, fun is not. Tap that subscribe button for more magical party themes and share this with a friend who